Organisations are feeling the pressure to reduce their total cost of ownership in every area of their business, with IT departments being no exception. An organisation's IT budget is critical to optimise, but figuring out the best way to manage it across hybrid environments can be a challenge. Investigating your software spend is the best way to start. Look at what software you own, any contracts you have, and who your main suppliers are. You'll find that you can save a lot of money by looking into how it's been used. If it's not been used, you can reclaim the license and make it available for someone else, or decrease the amount of licenses and associated costs when the time comes to renew. Maintaining oversight of your software and contracts ensures that you are adhering to the vendor's terms while guaranteeing the security and support of the software you are running for your organisation. All businesses use subscription and cloud services now, so it's easy to forget about controlling SaaS expenditure. Knowing which companies you are spending money with, how many users are involved, and making sure you are not paying for too many or too few licenses is essential for optimizing your SaaS expenditure in your organization. Ivanti gives you instant information about your software landscape, application spend, and operating environments. This includes detailed analysis presented in dashboards of licenses, purchases, and instances. You can track your purchase history, upcoming license renewals, contract expirations, and ongoing spend more effectively. You can get a better look at what we offer by watching a more comprehensive demonstration. If you are curious about how the Ivanti solutions can help you, contact your Ivanti customer success or account representative today.